Hi folks, welcome to another in the series of how to use Model Insider videos. I'm going to share something with you today that we find really exciting. We've always said that Model Insider is a site that is by, for, and about the members and the community. And one of the new features we've launched in V2 of Model Insider really shows that off, and that's what we call the Insider Focus. You'll see that on your screen right here. Whereas most other sites use different banners to either they either use the same banner to brand the site, or sometimes they'll use seasonal banners or advertising displays. We wanted to do something to focus on the members, and that's where we came up with the Insider Focus feature. You'll notice here that this says Francesca, title of the image, submitted by the Model Insider photographer, the Model Insider. If I refresh my page, this now shows up as a piece called Angelic, submitted by Brianne Jeanette, model Brianne Jeanette. Every time you load a new page or come to this site, you get a new image by another member. That's exactly what this is. This is what everyone will see when they come to the site. Work by the members. It's a way to showcase our community. We will occasionally probably do things when we're having contests, like put contest winning images in the rotation, or do seasonally themed images where we'll ask folks to submit them, but this is about you. All the members on the site have the ability to submit a certain number of images from their portfolio to this feature. The higher your level of membership, the more that you put into rotation at any one time. The only thing that we do ask is that you keep these as front page safe images. As you know, our site is 18 and up to join, and we do not have rules like a lot of other sites do about what content you can display around the site, but we do ask that you keep the front page friendly. The full guidelines for that are available on the site at any time. But basically, if it's not something you could see on a magazine cover in the checkout line at the grocery store, you probably shouldn't be putting it in your front page safe images. The other thing is that these images will all be reviewed, first to make sure that no one is slipping in any inappropriate content, and second of all to make sure no one's trying to do anything like put in a vote for me banner or go to my website banner. The process to use this feature is extremely simple, and I have to warn you all now, I'm using my own gallery as a sample, and there are a few non-work safe images there. So if you're somewhere where you shouldn't be looking at this, or if you don't want to see this, you might want to skip this portion of the demo, and you can always just email us via the help desk for instructions on this. There might be a few thumbnails here that you find offensive. We've made this feature as simple as possible for anyone to use. All that you do to access this is go to Account in the top menu. This takes you to the main screen where you manage your account. Go to Manage Portfolio. There'll be an entire video tutorial just on managing your portfolio and all of your images. Go to your Images link, and here you will see all of your images. You'll notice at the bottom of each image there's a tag that says Crop for Insider. One nice thing about this, the ability to crop inside this feature, means that you can take an image that would not normally be front page safe, and you can submit it with this feature. This is ridiculously simple to use. We made it where you don't need any special tools. There's no resizing. Obviously, a horizontal image is going to work somewhat better than a vertical image with this, but this is all easily controlled and sizable. So for instance, I'm going to start with this picture of Jess Robinson here, and this is obviously not a front page safe image, but I'm going to click the Crop for Insider button. You'll see that the full list of credits shows up here. The first couple of submissions you saw at the beginning of the tutorial did not have all of their credits updated. This will display whatever credits you have listed on the image. So from here, you notice as I hover over the image, I get the 4-way cross. I can now move this up and down. If it were a larger horizontal image, I could move side to side. I'm going to center this on Jess's lovely smile here. If the image were further back and I wanted to, I could zoom in very, very easily. And you can also flip the image if for some reason you wanted to. And I'm simply going to get this set up, and it shows you down here at the bottom how many images you have that have been submitted for it. And I'm going to click Save. That image is now in the Model Insider front page queue. You'll notice if I go to set another image that it says 1 used out of 1. It will always tell you your number that way. At any time, you can always change that by deleting the image you submitted and putting in another one. So that will have to go through the approval process, and then it will be available to show up on the front page. It's just that simple. We hope that you've enjoyed this, and you take full advantage of your ability with this feature to showcase yourself and your work as part of the site. Thank you for taking your time to listen to Model Insider, the site that is by, for, and about the members.